What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to look at aiohttp versus request, key differences in Python HTTP library. So Python developers choose between two popular HTTP libraries, request and aiohttp. Request actually offers simplicity with blocking operations, while aiohttp uses async IO for non-blocking concurrent requests. This fundamental difference means aiohttp can deliver up to 10 times more performance gains when handling multiple simultaneous requests. So we are going to look at a quick feature comparison, and then between aiohttp and also request. Then we'll look at an example in the form of a practical Python code down here. So you can pause this video, try it out. You try it out in VS Code, this code right here, down here, and let's see how it went for you. Let us know how it went for you in the comments, okay? So one thing you should know about requests is that it's synchronous and blocking. It waits for each request to complete, whereas asynchronous is aiohttp is asynchronous with async IO and enables concurrent operations without waiting. On the grounds of performance, request processes one request at a time, which is slower for multiple requests, and aiohttp processes up to 10 is actually up to 10 times faster for simultaneous requests. For use cases, request is simple with scripts, it has quick tests and better readability. On the grounds of use cases, aiohttp is to high performance apps, web servers, and also database systems. Do well to try this example down here. You pause the video and let us know how it went. Thank you for watching this video.